coding the library. We finished coding the library, but this one is a library, so we cannot run anything. So this one is a dash time for it to stop, and test our system to make sure the code is running. Okay, to make sure the code is running. So inside here, you're gonna do some testing. You're gonna do some testing for, let's say we're gonna test for load batches. If we could load, I may make some mistake. Okay, fine to make a mistake, but then now I'm gonna make a simple test case, which is we're gonna make sure that we could load the data from the database, just to make sure that we could load the data from the database. So we're gonna code this load batches method. Okay, we're gonna code this load batches method. Okay, so we're gonna click File, New. Okay, then we're gonna click on Unit Test, JUnit Test. Okay, gonna use JUnit Test. You should drop the test cases as well. You should drop the test cases as well. Just we're going to choose a package later. Just file, new file then. Okay, just or Control N to create a new file. Okay, just JUnit and we will create the package later. Okay, then click on Next. It may ask you to select the version of JUnit version. So choose the latest version, and it may ask you to download and install JUnit. Just follow the step to download and install. Okay. Again, it may ask you to select the version. Just select the latest JUnit version. Then it may ask you to download the what? Download the JUnit package to install. Then just click on download and install it. Okay. Then now I'm gonna name this one as Start First Unit Test. Okay, Start First Unit Test, and the location is inside the test package, and the package right now is test. Okay, the package right now is test. It's just that. Okay, and you keep all the others as default. You keep all the others as default. You keep all the others as default. Okay. Then right now, I'm gonna click on finish. This one is let me choose JUnit 4. Okay, select the latest one. Select. Yeah, right now it's done. Again, in your case, at this step now, it may ask you to download and install. Do it now. Download and install now. Okay. Then we are doing the things. Okay, you can have some like setup or tear down something. The two method is setup. This is similar, like when you start the testing, you should do something, and tear down, when you stop the testing, you should do something. But important is this method. Okay, we're going to uncomment this one to test. Okay, and this one we're going to test, like say test load batches. Okay, test load batches. In order to test load batches, we're going to use Start First okay, Start First equal to new Start First, and you can declare this objects outside and put the new into the setup one. Okay, and you can just finalize it down here, but then just put it here is fine. Okay, then you're going to have list a batch. So we're gonna import control space import this one, list from Java util, batch from entities. Okay, batches equal to Start First dot load batches, and we're gonna access. Okay, assert not null. Because this is an object, it's kind of difficult to do something like you're gonna get the first one or you're gonna get the last one and so on and so forth. Just assert that it's not known, make it easier. Okay, Just to assert means to check if the batch is not known. Means you do get something. Yeah. Just to check, to assert or to check, to assert, or to check if the batch is not known. If the batches are not known. Okay. Okay. So again, I'm gonna try to test the start first shape, list batches. Okay, all the batches by calling to the method load batches. I'm gonna assert to check to make sure that batches is not known. I mean, you could learn something from here. Okay, and this case is gonna fail. Okay, this case is gonna fail. I know it's failed, but then I wanna show you, you know, how the test works. Okay, how the test works. We're gonna fix the errors. So we don't right click on this one. I would like to focus and run only this test, not the other test. Only this method. So I will right click on this one and you're going to just run focus test method. Okay, run focus test method. Run focus test method. I'm just gonna focus on that method only. Test that method only. Okay. So if we run that, okay, it fails right now. It's failed right now. Okay, and it's failed, and it shows us that no driver found for JDBC to be something. Okay, so we don't have the driver for that one yet. Okay, we don't have the driver for that one yet. It's true because we forgot to add the driver. Okay, so you can just go and search JDBC the B driver. Okay, the B driver, or in this case, okay, we're gonna search for the B clients. Let's say I'm gonna search for Derby clients.jar. Okay, sorry, the B is Y. Okay, from the Mac there. This one is JDBC. Okay, in your computer there won't be. If you install Glassfish already. Otherwise, you go search Google for the big client. And you're supposed to install Glassfish already because we're gonna use Glassfish for coming web clients. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and copy it somewhere so that easier for you. It's in my application. Then NetBeans, then Glassfish, then JavaDB library, then the big client. You can import from there. Okay, you can import from there. Okay. 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 Or in my case, it's just to make it easier. I'm gonna copy and paste it to the desktop so that it's easier for me to paste it to desktop already here. Easier for me to remember. Otherwise, I have to remember the desktop over there. And then we're going to go to our projects. The library is here. Right click on it, add the jar and the folder. Then we're gonna go to desktop. The DB client is in the DB clients. Okay, choose it. Okay, choose it. Then right now we try to test again. Run on this one and run focus test methods. Okay. Test finished successfully. Okay. Click on test result and you'll see test finished successfully. Okay. Good, it's already executed. You can try other things. Okay. You can try to test other methods. Let's say try to test to test a method which is add batch and so on. Okay. To write some code to assert things. Okay. You can try some of the method like assert equals. Okay, assert equals. So you'll have your expected objects and the actual object, so on and so forth. Okay. Okay.